and good evening slash and good night. So today, this video is just so unplanned. It's so unorganized. Like, I didn't know whether or not I wanted to do another get ready with me because I already did one and they already edited it today. But anyway, I guess I could just do this journal video. Well, I don't even know. I might just do my unpopular slash popular slash whatever opinions on K-pop and what's been happening. We already made a whole list, as you can see. But my hair right is trash. Yikes. See this glow? See these eyes? If y'all want a tutorial, just let me know. Or whatever. But yeah, so let me start it off. Hold on, before we start it off, let me play some music so we can get ready. So this one I'm making right now. Alright, that's all y'all get. But well, I don't even know. This video is a mess, so I guess it could just be a messy video or whatever. But do y'all like my makeup? Of course, our Lord and Savior Fenty Beauty, amen. Anyways, I've been loving this album by NCT. This our intro music. But yeah, I have been loving this album. It's so good. Like, thank the Lord. And I got different playlists for different months, starting with July, August, September, October. Let me play October real quick. Goodbye. I love that song. It's a really good comeback. Maybe I should talk about comebacks instead of my unpopular K-pop opinions. I don't know. Matter of fact, yeah, let's talk about comebacks. So it's the month of October right now. The date is 18. The date is a Thursday, the 18th. Okay. I don't have school today. I don't got school tomorrow either. The first is not only K-pop in here, of course. The first thing that's gonna play, let's see. Nicki Minaj. So I already did a video of me reacting to her album, whatever. Listed down below. I really do love that song. It's called, this song that I just played is called Good Form. I let him eat the cookie because it's good form. I love that song. So here's God is the Woman, Ariana Grande, Breathing, Get Well Soon. So I already said Get Well Soon is my favorite Ariana Grande song from Sweetener. I just love it so much. And I have Favorite from Luna. I love that song. Love Forever for Luna. It's not new. Love Tonight. Killing Me was new August, so I love that song. That was a good comeback. Oh My was new from 17, and All Dawn is Harder Than Day. Hello. Oh. So yeah, also Han from Idol. And I had Stuck With Me by Tinashe. I like this song. And I like He Don't Want It. And SF9 Come Back Now or Never. That's my song too. Alright, I'm really not trying to get like copyrighted, but I had Do 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 by Blackpink, but I hit that button because like I do not. it gets annoying. That's basically it. Power Up by Red Velvet. That's hot. I love this song. When I first heard it, I was like, whatever. But now, this is my song. I already said good song. Run me the money in Miami. So yeah, this was August. The first song is Brick Carpet. I love that song by Juhwan from my sax. Then I have We Go Up by NCT Dream. And 1, 2, 3 by NCT Dream. I love this song. It's so good. And Drippin' by NCT. Okay, and then I have Like That from CLC. It's an old song, but this is yeah, I have Hi Hi from Luna. This is my song. That's my song. And I have Lullaby from GOT7. That came out in September? Yeah. That's my song. Lil Touch. This song it's my song too, but it's alright. It's not bad. Wild Thing. I was so upset when I realized that they didn't perform this live. I was like, Heart Attack by Chew from Luna. I like this song. Oh, I love this song. Retro Future from Triple H. Love that song. Runaway from Pentagon, of course. Get Well Soon for Ariana Grande. So that was September. And now we're on to October already. And we're only 9 minutes into this video. So let's... Okay. Goodbye, roll. Also, when I was listening to Icon, when I was listening to them singing Love Scenario live, like not performing with the dancing, but like, you know, at a microphone, whatever. I was so surprised to see that the main dancer could sing so good. Like, I was like, oh, cause like, not even trying to be rude or shady or anything, but some main dancers is just like, they better at dancing than singing. You know, it's not like they can't sing, but like it's obviously like a drastic change in like their dancing abilities and their singing abilities. But him, I was like, oh, y'all can sing. Alright, and I have Lullaby again, but I'm not playing that. Successful. See, the person, like, when I first heard this song, I was like, oh, this song dumb. But then, after I saw Marina Hokulani video of her singing it and everything, she made me really like this song, so. But that's not my favorite part of the song. I have 1, 2, 3 by NCT Dream. Most of these songs be repeating. Wild Thing, Then I have Only One For Me by B2B. I like this song. It's not my favorite song by them, but it's not bad. Then Regular. I have Replay, PM1. I like this song too. City 127. Run Back to You. This song is alright. Whiplash. They performed this live at KPOP, New York. It was really good. And Fly With Me. I love this song. But one of my favorite songs off of Regular Irregular has to be No Longer. They killed that. Now we're gonna start reading my opinions, and I have quite a lot. So, oh yeah, do you guys like my the cover? I have my name right here, Jonay, and some stickers I got from my XOCBX album. This B2B picture sticker. Jungkook from BTS. This sticker right here is from my House of Lashes package I ordered. D.O. from EXO, BTS, yeah. If I get some more stickers, of course, like NCT stickers, whatever, I'm gonna add them on there. But yeah, let me get to my unpopular opinion. Okay, the first one. When I wrote this, I don't even remember writing this. I don't have a date, so NCT's concept is not that hard to understand. Y'all are just dumb. So yeah, I don't think it's that hard to understand. Some groups people get, well, honestly, when they added Jungwoo to NCT 127, I was like, excuse me, they should have added Kun. Honestly, like I like Jungwoo and everything, but at the same time, Kun didn't properly debut, so like why would you add Jungwoo? I guess because a lot of people like Jungwoo from Boss, but anyways. People who aren't Korean, they use small Korean words are dumb and career rules. Okay, I don't know what I meant by small, but I guess like they don't use like the whole, like they don't use a whole sentence. They just say one word, one common word. It's just like it's cringy to me, especially when people first language English, and it's not like they trying to learn it. It's just cringy for me. I don't like that. Then it's annoying how everyone want to jump on the K-pop wave. So now this one, we gotta really go in, because like I know people gonna be like, oh, I know you're not talking, you try jumping there too. First of all, my best friend tried to show me that like while I was in middle school. I'm in 11th grade right now. So while I was like in middle school, she tried to get me internet. And of course I was like, I don't really care about that, because like when I was in middle school, I was a hardcore One Direction fan. Hardcore. I was a Zanger. I did not play. I know every One Direction song from every album. You can test it right now. Any song. But yeah. And I got into them 2 summers ago in August when I went over to her house and she played some BTS and some other people in NCT and everything. So she's like, yeah. And I finally got into it and now I'm hooked. So yeah. But I've been seeing, like, you know, since BTS been blowing up in America and everything, not that I don't like them for that, it's just like a bunch of bandwagon people, you know, because in America, they clout chasers, you know, people jump on the waves, they will jump on there just for some money, like YouTubers. Not saying that every YouTuber that make a reaction video to K-pop or something just trying to jump on the wave to get money. Cause some people really do like it. And some would just be like, oh, let me do this because I know that it's trending right now. Everybody doing this, and it's an easy way to get some views and some money. And how some people just be fake. Like, if you aren't from the big 3, who are you? I didn't mean that. I don't think I meant that rudely, but like it is like that there. Everybody know the basic groups: BTS, EXO, Red Velvet. You know, people from the big three, Blackpink. Everybody know them. But like, if you're not from that, it is harder. It is such thing as big three privilege, cause it's harder for other groups to get as much recognition, as much, like, clout. But not, and that's, I'm not even trying to say that, like, obviously some groups just don't work from the big three also, and some groups just don't, they don't sell as much as they sold before or whatever. But yeah, big three privilege is real. And here's another one. JYP doesn't care about GOT7 as much as he does Twice. See, this is not an opinion, this is the truth, and it's obvious. I'm not just talking about the company, I'm talking about JYP himself as a person. And it's the truth. Jackson basically, he be promoting GOT7 on everything he do, Instagram, YouTube, every reality show he go on, him and Bam Bam and everybody else be going on shows. They basically got it for themselves. Their debut, you could tell it was barely any money put into it. You could tell, like, and you could just tell that they're second thought for JYP. I mean, obviously Twice sell more than them, got more fans than them, more popular than them, but at the same time, GOT7 do deserve the same amount of treatment as them. Okay, and then I have Momoland is disappointing. From the recent singles that they dropped with Bam and Boom Boom. See, Boom Boom was good. Bam was like a 2.0 trying version, but I want them to do something out of the box. But I'm probably just gonna stop it right here. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. And yeah.